Hello, y'all. Today I went to my local hardware store in my area, and I bought this. This is a first Alert SMI110. I think I'm one of the first to have one of these. So basically, it's a 10-year variant of the SMI100. So more than that a little bit. So I'm gonna open this up. There we go. There we go. Now open it. We have the mounting plate with a warning. The screws and anchors. The manual. Please see manual. And the alarm itself. You can tell this is a 10-year alarm. It lacks the side battery door. Very, very interesting. But I believe it still uses a 9-volt battery in there somewhere. Not like a 3-volt lithium seal battery like a 20 SD10. So activate. Oh, it's not active yet. Alright. Oh my god. There we go. Let's test it. That's loud. Jesus. I don't know which one's louder, mate. SM100 VAC or this. This thing scared me. Alright. Hopefully y'all like this wait, no. So manufacturing date was March 20th here as well? Damn. Alright. Hopefully y'all like this video. I will see y'all soon. Take care, everyone.